Welcome to Sigma Equipment. Today's cycle test includes a Wulftec SML-150 low-profile pallet stretch wrapper. This machine is running on 120 volts one-phase. It has a maximum wrap height of 116 inches, using film with a width of 20 inches. The maximum load weight for this wrapper is 4,000 pounds. This wrapper comes equipped with a photo eye sensor that can detect the top of the skid, which determines the travel height of the carriage. The control panel offers many adjustments for the machine. The top and bottom wrap counter allows for a user to decide how many full wraps the machine will complete on the bottom and top of the product. The film tension dial adjusts the amount of tension that stretch rollers put on the film before the wrapping application. The amount of tension will decide how much the film will shrink once on the product. The rotation speed adjustment determines how fast the product platform will rotate. There are also dials to adjust the up and down speed of the film carriage. The operator has the option to manually move the carriage up or down if they would like to focus on specific areas of the product to wrap more or less. The rotation of the skid or pallet can also be set to manual. This can be beneficial when placing product labels on each side of the wrapped product for identification purposes. The wrapping process starts by loading the film on the film reel, making sure that the arrows in the core are pointed down. After opening the carriage door, the film must be fed through the tension rollers and around the dance bar. The tension rollers stretch the film so that once it wraps around the product, it will compress and shrink the wrap. The dancer bar is on a spring-loaded hinge and is used to call for more film from the carriage. Once a skid of product has been placed on the platform, the film is attached to the skid, pallet, or crate. The operator then uses the control panel to adjust settings for the wrap. Once the operator has customized the wrap settings, the Start-Stop button is pressed to start the wrapping process. To learn more about different types of stretch wrappers, as well as other pieces of equipment, please visit us at sigmaequipment.com.